When you hear the warning siren or warning words of an earthquake, turn on your radio or television to see the emergency alert system for updated information. Most of the time, when an earthquake hits an area, it comes quickly and without warning. Usually, you will be in one of these situations: indoors, outdoors, or driving. If you are indoors, do not run blindly outside. Stay there. Get under a table or desk. Hold on to it and be prepared to move with it. Hold the same position until the ground stops shaking and it is safe to move. Get under a supported doorway. Stay away from windows, heavy furniture, or appliances that may fall over. Remain inside to avoid being injured by falling glass or building parts. If you are in a crowded area, take cover wherever you are. Stay calm and advise others to do likewise. Never take an elevator. If you are outdoors, stay in the open, away from buildings and power lines and trees. Drop to the ground and remain there until it is safe to move around again. If you are driving, slow down. Turn on your emergency flashers and come to a stop. Do not get on bridges, underpasses, or overpasses. Avoid areas where there are overhead hazards, such as power lines or falling building debris. Turn your vehicle off and park. Stay in your car until the shaking stops.